Hello coders, today we are going to look at WC as a command in bash or command line. WC is an abbreviation of word count and is a command that is used to find the number of words in a file. You can also use it to find the number of characters or the number of bytes, and you can also use it to find the number of lines in a file. So inside this directory that we are in, it's an empty directory. We are going to create a file called example example.txt. So if you need to learn more about Nano, I think there is one of the videos where I talk about Nano in this playlist. After this video, you can just jump onto that video and learn more about Nano. So I'm going to use Nano to create a file, and the content here will be just one line of text. So this is an example line. Control O, Control X. So when we do WC on example, we get this output. So it is telling us that we have one line. The number of lines in that file is 1. The number of words is 5. And the number of characters or the number of bytes is 24. We can confirm this by using cat to display what we have. So it is one line. The number of words is 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the number of characters is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, the last one. Yep, so that is what we have about WC. And WC has flags, so let me try to work with some flags. There are, I think, 3 or 4 flags that you can use when you are working with WC, and the flags are basically just telling WC to be specific on what you want as an output. For example, if I do WC minus L, example.txt, this will give me the output as the number of lines. If I do WC minus M example, this will give me the number of bytes, and then WC minus C, this will give me the number of characters, which is the same as the number of bytes. Then the number of words is WC minus W example.txt. This gives me the number of words. We can open this file again and maybe add a second line. So we could add here, this is the second line. Control O, enter, Control X to save. Then when I do WC example.txt, now we have the number of lines as 2. The number of words has increased. Previously we had the number of words, WC minus W was 5. Sorry, we had 5 as the number of words, now they are 10. The number of characters was 48, 24. Now the number of characters is 48. Yeah, so this is all about WC. There is one way you can use to find the number of characters in the longest line for a file. I would like you to try to find out that. Then if you find how to get that, post it in the comments. I'll be reading your comments in the subsequent videos. Until next time, take care of yourself. If you have not subscribed and you would like to learn more about data science, please give us a subscription. It is free, and you will help us to achieve our goal for this year, to reach 1,000 subscribers. Till next time, take care of yourself.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.